Revolutionize video creation and conferencing with FineShare FineCam. Unleash your creativity. FineShare FineCam is a cutting-edge virtual camera tool designed to elevate your video recording and conferencing experiences. This innovative tool empowers users to produce top-tier high-definition videos and engage in interactive video conferences, regardless of their physical location. With features like high-definition video creation, real-time background removal, audio enhancement, and versatile camera support, FineShare FineCam takes video communication to a new level. It's a game-changer for professionals, educators, content creators, and anyone seeks a seamless and engaging video experience. Benefits of FineShare FineCam. Number 1. High-quality videos anywhere. FineShare FineCam enables users to create stunning high-definition videos no matter where they are. Number 2. Immersive video conferencing. Experience interactive video conferences with crystal-clear audio and video enhancements, making virtual meetings feel like real-life interactions. Number 3. Enhanced audio quality. The audio enhancer ensures optimal auditory experiences, eliminating background noise and delivering clear sound. Number 4. Dynamic background removal. Instantly remove backgrounds during video calls with the Smart Portrait mode, maintaining privacy and professionalism. Number 5. Versatile camera options. Utilize various cameras, including smartphones, DSLRs, and digital cameras, to capture different angles and perspectives. Number 6. Real-time content sharing. Share screens, applications, slides, and videos in real time, perfect for presentations, tutorials, and collaborative projects. Number 7. Engaging visuals. Choose from a wide array of stunning backgrounds sourced from Unsplash, enhancing the visual appeal of your videos and presentations. Number 8. Segment recording. Capture video highlights without lag using the segment recording feature, ensuring all crucial moments are preserved seamlessly. Number 9. HD webcam replacement. Transform your smartphone or connected cameras into high-definition webcams, enhancing video quality for various purposes. Losses of FineShare FineCam. Number 1. Learning curve. Some users might require time to familiarize themselves with all the advanced features and settings. Number 2. Dependent on equipment. The quality of the video largely depends on the user's camera equipment, which may impact the overall experience. Number 3. Internet connectivity. A stable internet connection is essential for smooth video conferencing and content sharing. How we earn money from FineShare FineCam. FineShare FineCam operates on a freemium model, offering a basic version with essential features for free. To unlock the full potential of FineShare FineCam and access premium features, users can subscribe to a monthly or yearly subscription plan. Premium features include extended video recording time, access to an expanded library of backgrounds, priority customer support, and advanced customization options. Additionally, partnerships with camera manufacturers and integration with popular video conferencing platforms lead to licensing agreements and revenue sharing, ensuring a sustainable income stream for FineShare FineCam.